If you've already booked a stay on Airbnb and now need to cancel your reservation, don't worry, the process is quite simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to cancel an Airbnb reservation step by step. Whether your plans have changed or you found a better option, this guide will help you cancel your booking quickly and understand what to expect. First, open the Airbnb website or app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Trips section. Here, you'll see all your current and upcoming bookings. Find the reservation that you want to cancel and click on it to open the full details. On the reservation page, look for the Cancel Reservation option. Click on it to begin the cancellation process. Airbnb will now show you important information, including your cancellation policy and how much refund you'll receive based on when you cancel. Before confirming, carefully review the refund details. Some bookings offer free cancellation within a certain time period, while others may have partial refunds or no refund depending on the host's policy. Make sure you understand the amount you'll get back before proceeding. After reviewing everything, select a reason for cancellation if prompted, and then click the Confirm Cancellation button. Once you confirm, your reservation will be cancelled immediately and you'll receive a confirmation email with all the details. If you're eligible for a refund, the amount will be processed back to your original payment method. The time it takes to receive the refund may vary depending on your payment provider. In this tutorial, we learned how to cancel an Airbnb reservation by accessing the Trips section, selecting the booking, reviewing the cancellation policy, and confirming the cancellation. This ensures you can cancel your stay easily and know exactly what refund to expect. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.